As a CDOT engineer, we spend a lot of time making sure our project sites are safe for contractors and the traveling public. But sometimes we may forget about our own safety while walking around the site. For the next 180 seconds, you'll see 3 steps to identify hazards, how to protect yourself, and what you can do if you see a safety concern.
Step 1. Wear the proper PPE. Wearing the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, begins with properly matching your gear to the environment and the hazards at the project site. Beyond the basic hard hat, vest, and work boots, CDOT provides its engineers a comprehensive selection of PPE. To find out what PPE is available to you, visit the PPE website. Step 2. Perform a job hazard assessment. Just like our maintenance patrols, engineers have access to job hazard assessment forms to assess, evaluate, and react to typical hazards found at project sites. Once at a job site, you should check in with the project foreman for accountability and to get updated information. It's also important to perform a real-time hazard assessment to become better aware of your surroundings. Performing these assessments will help you to identify hazards such as traffic patterns, equipment operations, hot surfaces, slip and trip hazards, and changing weather conditions. The closer you get to active work activities, pose other risks such as respiratory hazards and flying debris, which can be minimized by using approved dust masks and safety glasses. High noise levels will also be present the closer you get to active work activities, which can be reduced by wearing one of CDOT's approved hearing protectors. Also, when working near heavy equipment, make eye contact with the operator so that they are aware of your presence or intentions. In general, when walking the job site, always avoid distractions and always scan ahead to identify any possible slip or trip hazards. Remember, you are not alone. If you ever have questions about your personal safety, call your regional safety officer or CDOT's risk management office. Step 3. See something, say something. Our engineers are a key component to driving safety at all of our project sites. This means if you see something that poses an imminent life threat to anyone, say something immediately. This may mean engaging a contractor's employee directly or talking to the project foreman depending on the situation.
For the last 180 seconds, you've seen 3 steps on how to identify hazards, protect yourself, and what actions you can take to make our CDOT project sites safer for us and our contractors. It's now time for my fellow engineers to use the Safety 180 action sheet and the JHA to reinforce these safe practices at their current projects.